Welcome to Bike Information, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle and scooter updates. Today, we take a closer look at the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180, a premium urban scooter designed for comfort, practicality, and stylish commuting. Overview of the 2026 Burgman 180. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 continues the Burgman legacy with a perfect blend of power and luxury. Suzuki upgrades the platform with a refined 180 cubic centimeters engine, smoother acceleration, and improved fuel efficiency. Built to deliver a premium riding experience, it remains one of the most comfortable scooters in its segment. Engine and performance. The Burgman 180 features a fuel-injected 180 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine that offers strong mid-range power for city riding and relaxed performance on open roads. The updated CVT transmission ensures smoother power delivery, making stop-and-go traffic effortless. Suzuki has also improved vibration control, resulting in a more refined ride. Design and comfort. The 2026 model maintains the iconic maxi scooter styling, but with sharper body lines and modern aerodynamic panels. A wide seat, roomy footboards, and upright riding posture make long rides more comfortable. The scooter also features improved under-seat storage, easily fitting a helmet and daily essentials. Technology and features. Suzuki equips the new Burgman 180 with a full digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced riding information. LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility, while the smart key system adds convenience. Dual-channel ABS and improved braking hardware ensure better safety during urban and highway rides. Practicality and efficiency. With excellent fuel efficiency, low maintenance requirements, and convenient storage options, the Burgman 180